And even though it is very peaceful and essentially quiet in the rainforest, there are lots of birds calling to each other.
That's right. The rainforest birds are one of the most visible and audible parts of the wildlife of the rainforest. So today we can hear all sorts of birds calling, and particularly in the early morning they can be really loud and really raucous.
And it's not only the birds that love this environment, there seems to be lots of other animals around as well.
We've got the paddymellons, the red-legged paddymellons, that are very common in the picnic area near the Rainforest Centre. So we see those most afternoons. They come out to graze on the grass because there's not a lot of grass in rainforest. They live on a range of herbs and leaves, but the grass is pretty special, so we see them most afternoons.